Welcome to VGS Maths Education.
Hi everyone, welcome back to VGS Maths Education channel. Today we discussed about exercise 6.2 progression exercise 6.2. So today we discussed exercise 6.2. First bit, it is a table given in this 5 questions. It is a given. So now first question we are discussing: a is equal to 7, d is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, and a is equal to question mark. It is a given. So already we discussed about the formula also. So now you can write the formula and this value you can substitute. So what is that formula? an. An is equal to what is that? A plus n minus 1 of d. So here is a n value now we are finding. So a value is there, d value is there, n value is there. Just simple you can substitute. So a value how much given? 7 plus n value how much given? 8 minus 1, and d value what is there? 3 is there. Just this much only. It is substitute. Now here is the simplification is there. 7 as it is 7 plus and 8 minus 1 is the very easy 7, and here is the 3. Now here is a here is a addition, here is a both between, multiplication is there. So first you can do it multiplication. 7 plus 7 3 is a 21, and now addition also you can do it. 21 plus 7 is equal to 28. So this is the answer. An value is equal to what is that? An value is equal to 28. So this is the answer. Now in the first bit, fourth question, now I will explain. Second and third question you can solve. So it is the fourth question, decimal value it is a given. So that's why I am explaining. So listen. So a is equal to minus 18.9, d is equal to 2.5, n is equal not given, n is equal to 3.6. Same formula you can use. So n value not given, so remaining values it is a given. Now substitute. So what is that formula? What is that? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 of d. So an value how much given? 3.6. So substitute 3.6, and a value how much given? Minus 18.9 plus n value not given, same as this, write it, and d value how much given? 2.5 given. So here is a put in the bracket. So now here is a minus 18.5 is there, so transport to left side, it is a getting 3.6 and plus 18.9. so leave it. Here is a what is the remaining? N minus 1 of 2.5. So 3.6 minus 18.9, how much getting? So 18.9, 3.6, here is a 15. So 11 plus 12, here is a 22. 22.5 is there, and right side it is a multiplied 2.5 into n is equal to what is that? 2.5 n, and minus 2.1 into 2.5 into 1, 2.5. So now one more also 2.5 also negative number is there. This number also transport to left side, it is a getting what is that? 22.5 plus 2.5. Right side what is a given? Only 2.5 n. So 22.5 plus 2.5 is equal to how much is there? So simple, what is that? 25.0 getting, and here is a 2.5 n. So now n value leave it, it is a transport to left side. 2.5 is a getting what is that? Denominator position. N is equal, leave it. So n value what is that? Right side leave it. So 25.0, and it is a 2.5 is equal to right side what is the n, leave it. Now point decimal after 0 is there, that is no value. So what is that? 25 by 2.5 is equal to n. Now here is a 2.5, it is a decimal value, leave no need mean we can, here is a numerator portion, it is a multiplying with 10, because decimal after only one digit is there, you can multiply it with 10. So 25 into 10, so by now 25, because it is a decimal value point తీసేసినామంటే it is a multiplied with 10. So what is the right side? N. So 25 by the 25. So n is equal to what is the final got? N is equal to 10. సో ఈ విధంగా ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అయినా ఇందులో ఉన్న బిట్లు అనేటివి కంప్లీట్గా సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓన్లీ ఇది ఒక్క ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసి ఫస్ట్ బిట్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఐ థింక్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ అండర్స్టూడ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. నౌ second bit, second question. So first question easy is there. So second question, it is the fraction number is there. That's why I'm explaining second question. So find the 11th term of arithmetic progression. So already this series arithmetic progression is there. So 11th term question asking. So here is what is the series -3 comma -1/2 comma 2. So what is that? This is the A1, this is the A2, this is the A3. So 11th term we are finding. Same formula. What is that? Here is a formula. An is equal to An is equal to A plus. First you can find the D value. What is that? First you can find the D value. So D first we are finding the. Now first we are finding the D value. D is equal to what is that? A2 minus A1. A2 is equal to how much is there? -1/2. Minus A1 is equal to what is it? -3. So -1/2 minus into minus plus 3. What is that? Here is the 2 minus 1 and 2 3 is 6. So what is that? 6 minus 1 is equal to what is that? 5/2. So D value is equal to 5/2. Now 11th term we are finding. 11th term what is the formula? An formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 of D. So An unte 11th term. So A11 is equal to A plus mean what is that? A value what is that? A value is equal to -3. So A1 ante what is that? A is equal to what is that? -3. So -3 substitute plus n is equal to how much is there? 11 minus 1. D value how much got? 5/2. 5/2, write it. Now A11th term is equal to -3. So plus 10 minus 1 is equal to how much? 11 minus 1 is equal to how much is it? 10 and into 5/2. Now -3 plus here is the 2 1s are 2 5s are. Cancellation just say what is the remaining here is equal to -3 plus 5 into 5. So -3 plus 5 5s are 25. Now 25 minus 3 is equal to how much getting? 22. So A11 term is equal to how much is there? 22. This is the answer. So in this first question you can solve same as it is. You can find that you can use this formula. Now third bit, second question I am explaining. So first question you can solve same as it is. So what is that? Second question, A2 is equal to 13, A4 is equal to 3 and find A1 and A3, it is the finding. So this is what is the given. First it is the third bit. Remaining all series it is a given what is the arithmetic progressions is there. So this is the arithmetic progression. So A1 and A3 now we are finding. So what is that? Already arithmetic progression. So any two common difference is the equal. So here is what is that? A4 and A2 it is a given. So A4 minus A3 is equal to A3 minus A2. So this here is a common difference, here is a common difference equal, because already it is the question, it is arithmetic progression. So A4 value how much is there? 3, it is a given, minus A3 is equal to how much is there? Not given. So write as it is. So now A3 also not given as it is, right? minus A2 it is a given, that's why I am using this one, A4 minus A3, A3 minus A2, because A4, A2 value it is a given. So now we are finding the A3 value. Now here is a minus 13 it is a given, so transfer to left side. So what is that? 3 and minus 13 transfer to left side is a plus 13. So here is a minus A3 is there, and it is also A3 is there. So 13 plus 3 is equal to how much? 16. So minus A3 it is a transfer to right side. What is that? Already A3 right side is there, and one more also A3 right side plus A3, because here is a left side minus A3 is there. So here is a 16. A3 plus A3 is equal to what is that? 2A3. So now A3 value we are finding. So 2 it is a transfer to left side. What is I getting? 16 by 2 is equal to A3. So what is that? 2 1s are 2 8s are. So finally we got what is that? A3 is equal to A3. We are finding the A1 value also. Now what is that? A2 minus A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1. So now we are getting the A1 value. So what is that? A3 is equal to how much is there? 8 minus A2 how much is there? 13. So A2 is equal to 13 minus A1 is equal to A1 as it is. So 13 minus 8 is equal to how much getting? 13 minus 8 is equal to minus 5 is equal to 13 minus A1. So here is the minus A1, it is a transfer to left side. What is that? Plus A1 minus 5 is equal to 30. So this minus 5 transfer to right side, what is that getting? A1 is equal to 13. It is a plus minus 5 transfer to right side plus 5. So A1 is equal to what is that? 13 plus 5 is equal to what is that? 18. So A1 is equal to 18 got, A3 is equal to 8. So we can use these formulas, and we are finding the like that formula problems. Now third question, A1 is equal to 5, A4 is equal to 9.5, find A2 and A3. So A4 it is a given, A4 value, what is that? Solution A4 is equal to what is that? A plus 3D. A plus 3D. A mean what is that? A is equal to A1, that is equal to 5. So A4 is equal to how much is there? 9, 1 by 2 is equal to A value is equal to 5 plus 3D. So 9.5 mean what is that? 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19. 19 by 2 is equal to 5 plus 3D. This 5 transport to left side, what is that? 19 by 2 minus 5. Here is equal to 3D remaining. So 19 by 2 minus 5 is equal to what is that? Here is a 2 denominator position is the division. So 19 as it is 2 5s are 10 is equal to 3D. Now 19 minus 10 is equal to what is that? 9. 9 by 2 is equal to 3D. So we are finding D value. D here is the D with 3 transport to left side. 9 by 2 into 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So finally D is equal to what is that? 3 by 2. D value we got is there. Now A2 and A3 value easy. A2 is equal to what is that? A2 is equal to A plus D. So A plus D is equal to how much get? A value 5 plus D is equal to 3 by 2. So 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 by 2. This is the A2. And one more, what is that? A3. A3 is equal to what is that? A plus 2D. So A is equal to how much is there? A is equal to 5 plus 2 of D is equal to what is that? 3 by 2. So 2 cancel. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. A3 is equal to 8. So like that. సో మనకి దానికి ఏవి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలనో దానికి రిలేషన్గా కొద్దిగా థింక్ చేసి మనకి ఏ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలనో అర్థమైపోతుంది. సో ప్రాబ్లం చదవాలి. సో రీడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత దానికి ఎలాంటి ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలనేది మనకి ఐడియా వస్తుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ రీడ్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. Now third bit to fifth question. This is also little bit different is there, so that's why I'm explaining. So a6 is equal to minus 22, a2 is equal to 38. So now solve remaining these problems, remaining these values we are finding. So a6 is equal to what is that? A6 is equal to what is that? Minus 22, and a2 is equal to what is that? 38. So this a6 mean what is that? A6 is equal to this value a plus 5d. A6 mean what is that? A plus 5d. So this value a6 how much given? Minus 22. So minus 22 write it. And now one more, a2 how much is there? 38. Now a2 mean what is that? A plus d, only single d. How much given a2 ante? So 38 is there, so 38 write it. Now both are, it is the a value same is there. Now here is a subtracting, so signs change. Here also plus is there instead minus, here also minus, right? So what is that? Plus a minus a cancel. Plus 5d minus 1d is equal to what is that? 4d. So here is a minus 22 minus 38. What is that? 38 plus 2 is equal to 40. 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. So both are minus, is a minus symbol, right? Now d is equal to minus 60 by, it is a 4 transport to right side division portion. 4 ones are 4 15. So finally d value how much got? D is equal to minus 15. So now we are finding the a value. A value mean what is that? A2 is equal to a plus d. So a2 is equal to how much is there? 38. A value not there. So d value minus 15. So here is a 38, here is a 15 transport left side plus 15. Here it is the remaining. So 38 plus 15 is equal to what is that? 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 1, 2, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So a is equal to 53. A mean what is that? This is the a1. So a1 finish. A3 is equal to how much is there? A3 is equal to, this is the one. A3 is equal to a plus 2d. So substitute. A value what is that? A value 53 plus 2 of d is equal to minus 50. So 53 minus 2 into 15 is equal to 30. So what is that? 53 minus 30 is equal to 23. So that is the a3 value. So remaining a4 a5 also same as it is. A4 and a3 a plus 3d. So substitute. A5 mean what is that? A plus 4d. So a value, t value substitute, a4 value, a5 value you will get. So like that you can use and substitute that way. First what is that need? D value, a value వచ్చింది అంటే ఎలాంటి ఏ టర్మ్ వాల్యూ అయినా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో d వాల్యూ వచ్చింది, a వాల్యూ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి a3 వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన. రిమైనింగ్ a4 a5 వాల్యూ యూ కెన్ సాల్వ్. మనం ఈ క్లాస్లో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 6.2లో థర్డ్ బిట్ వరకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకున్నాము. సో నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. మీకు ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అర్థమైందని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. మీకు ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ చేయండి. అదేవిధంగా మీకు కనుక ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, అదేవిధంగా బెల్ ఐకాన్ కూడా క్లిక్ చేయండి. అప్పుడు నేను పెట్టే వీడియోస్ నోటిఫికేషన్గా వస్తాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Please subscribe and click the bell icon.